Welcome to another set of videos. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail, just like this. Pass it through the gap, then take the lower section, divide it into two and tie it in the form of ponytail. Take all the three sections properly and tie it properly, just like this. Make a gap and pass it through the hole from the one part of your hair. Take the rest of the section of hair and do pigtail out of it. See how good it looks. Roll it upwards and just move it upwards. You should just secure it with a bobby pin and yeah, you're good to go. Let your hair loose, divide it into two parts, make pigtail out of one part and repeat the same process with the other parts of the hair as well. Secure both the loose ends of your hair with a rubber band. Tie it together, roll it upwards, twist it just like this. Move it like a circle and secure it properly with a rubber band and your favorite looking bobby pin. Let yourself loose. Tie it in the form of half ponytail, just like this. Pass it through the gap. Take one end of your hair and pass a rubber band through that end, carefully pulling out your hair through that rubber band and the rubber band itself. Repeat the same process again with the next part of your hair as well. Do it carefully. Don't strangle your hair. Take the rest of the part, divide it into three sections and make the tail out of it. Give it a fluffy look. Roll it upwards just like this and secure it with a bobby pin. Take your hair, make it in the form of half ponytail just like this. Roll it upwards and pass it through the gap. Divide the remaining hair into two sections. Make pigtails out of that two sections. You should be clean in your work so that your hair looks beautiful. The end result will signify everything. Roll it upwards and pass it through the gap. Tie all the loose ends and then roll it again. Repeat the same process. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, secure it with a rubber band, then take the loose ends again and tie it again, repeating the same for most hair. Make it look in the form of three layers. Then take the remaining hair, make pigtails out of the remaining hair using your hand quickly and properly. Give it a fluffy look, roll it upwards. Tie your hair in the form of lower ponytail, secure it with your favorite 5 looking bobby pin and then just like this you should press it inward. Take the lower part of your hair, take the remaining part as well, tie it in the form of pigtail, dividing it in two sections. Tie the lower end again. Take the rest part as well and tie both the parts together, rolling it, giving it a circular look. Secure it properly. Tie your hair in the form of half ponytail, secure it tightly, tie the rest of the part again with a ponytail, then secure the rest part again with a rubber band, make a pigtail out of the lowest part of the hair and pass it through the gap of the second layer of your hair, then carefully put it through the rubber band in the upper end and yeah, you are good to go. Tie your hair in the form of half ponytail. Tie the rest of the hair again in two consecutive sections. Divide it and pass it through the gap of one of the sections and tie it with a rubber band again. Roll it upward, secure it tightly with a bobby pin. Thanks for watching.